Hi, I'm Mike with Family Health La Clinica. I'm the facilities manager for the organization, and Limble has been absolutely excellent. It's hands down 5 stars all the way across the board. Before we committed with Limble, we were very old school. We had the pat on the back, the sticky notes, the phone calls, the emails. It's everything that you could think of that somebody would try to contact you and let you know, hey, there's a problem. It was that way. It was extremely disorganized. We had very difficult time keeping track of what we were doing where, tracking costs, tracking inventory, and Limble has been able to come through and solve all of that for us. When going through and deciding on a CMMS program, Limble really stood out to us just for the fact of its ease of use. Limble included everything that we needed on the inventory front, the monetary tracking and financial systems. It included asset identification and tracking and management for histories. It was able to take everything that we needed in order to organize ourselves and make ourselves the most effective facilities department that we could be, but it also held up above the others the ability to use it no matter the age of the technician, no matter the skill set that they had. It was very simple and very interactive. Limble was awesome on helping us getting up and going with the program, being that we'd never had a CMMS program at the organization before. They were able to take and walk us through the entire process of how to get all of the locations put in, all the assets, do inventory, track the financials. They were with us every step of the way, and the support system that they've provided since startup has been absolutely great. They check in regularly. They make sure that you are confident and competent in using the system. And any modifications that they need to do, they can turn around and do on their end quite readily and quickly. It's really the only trouble that we've had using Limble has been instilling all of our assets into the system. And just because we have so many locations and everything's been on paper for so long, it's been a process to get it all put into the system. But now that it is, it's so much easier to manage. It's been great. For anybody that be considering on getting a CMMS program, I'd highly recommend Limble. The staff has been excellent to work with. Just being able to contact the support whenever we needed has been a great process. They're all based in the States. It's really something to where they feel like they have a responsibility and a necessity to take care of the people that use their program. It, if you're looking for something that can easily be managed both on a computer and on a smartphone or a tablet, Limble really ticks all those boxes. It's other programs that we've looked at and that we've kind of vetted in the past have been specialized to either or. So either it's a computer based or it's a mobile based platform, and they really haven't been able to fulfill the needs that we have as a larger organization. Limble's been able to do all that. And if you are interested at all, I'd highly recommend just contacting their service staff or some of their sales folk, and they really can walk you through the whole process. It's been a huge change in our efficiency and our effectiveness in the organization.